In sand-producing hydrocarbon reservoirs, managing formation solids is a primary requirement for maintaining productivity and protecting downhole completion strings. When formation sand migrates into production tubes, it accelerates mechanical wear on subsurface safety valves, erodes electrical submersible pumps, and causes severe downhole plugging. Historically, operators viewed downhole sand control screens through the lens of initial capital expenditure, opting for low-cost slotted liners or basic wire-wrapped pipes. However, evaluating sand control hardware purely on initial purchase price overlooks long-term well completion economics. The harsh environment of downhole production tubes presents high differential pressure, thermal cycling, heavy mechanical installation stress, and aggressive chemical exposure from hydrogen sulfides, carbon dioxide, and high salinity brine. Selecting lower tier or structurally weak screen media leads to catastrophic failure modes, including localized hotspot erosion, poor compaction, media collapse, or severe plugging. When a sand screen fails, non-productive time, driven by lost production, expensive rig interventions, and complete well workovers, dwarfs any initial procurement savings. Evaluating downhole sand control options solely on procurement costs creates a false sense of economy. Traditional commodity solutions like slotted liners carry lower upfront price tags but lack the structural reinforcement and poor geometry control necessary for long-term sand retention. When low-cost screens encounter fine particulates or scale buildup, differential pressure spikes rapidly. In loose or single-layer media, the pressure load causes poor compaction, pinching off fluid passage, and restricting production rates. Conversely, abrasive jetting from high-velocity sand creates localized erosion holes or hotspots. Once a hotspot forms, the screen loses sand retention entirely, allowing solids to destroy downstream equipment. In contrast, engineered metallic media like Porostar sintered mesh tubes utilize a multi-layer, dual-sintered design to decouple structural strength from micron retention, maintaining unyielding pore geometries under high differential pressures. Furthermore, utilizing nickel iron chromium alloys prevents pitting, stress corrosion cracking, and intergranular attack downhole, eliminating early media degradation. Downhole sand control screens face severe mechanical forces long before production begins. Pushing long completion assemblies through tight casting windows or horizontal well bores exposes tubes to high bending moments, torsional friction, and heavy axial loads. Void spaces in incomplete gravel packs concentrate formation compaction stress onto the tube exterior, causing standard single-layer screens to deform or fracture. Engineered multi-layer wire mesh laminates such as Porostar solve structural vulnerabilities by fusing every wire crossing point into a solid, monolithic metallic matrix through high-temperature sintering. Formed into robust sections, Porostar delivers erosion mitigation by preventing wire displacement, collapse resistance by distributing radial compaction loads evenly, and flexural integrity by ensuring bending does not open larger pore openings along the well bore length. The true return on investment of premium sand control media becomes undeniable when evaluating long-term operational expenditures and intervention frequencies. Disposable screens cannot survive cleaning processes and must be discarded as hazardous waste. Because multi-layer sintered wire mesh laminates possess high mechanical strength and smooth surface geometries, Porostar can undergo high pressure backwashing or chemical soaking to restore flow permeability without damaging the internal filter matrix. This cleanability delivers a threefold economic advantage: reducing replacement frequency by allowing recertification across multiple runs, minimizing environmental waste by reducing scrap steel volume, and offering substantial non-productive time reduction by eliminating workovers. Avoiding a single sand induction intervention instantly pays for the capital investment of premium screen media. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, click on our Talk to Us button to get in contact with our many experts on woven wire mesh. And if you'd like to learn more about woven wire mesh or our many products, we have a learning center filled with written and video content to make you an expert. We also have a YouTube channel. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that bell to keep up with all things Havre and Boker. Once again, my name is Andrew Kotlar, and I'll see you around in the next video. Bye for now.